Hello my dear student, I am your math teachers from Career Guidelines. You are watching my YouTube channel Career Guideline, and in this video I will going to teach you basic type of calendar problems. It means basic to advanced levels in this video, so don't skip my video, watch till the end. Okay, so today start my video. Okay, if my video helpful for you, then please share and subscribe. So calendar problem. Calendar. So how many days we consider a week? How many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. And what is odd day? Odd day means a extra day from a complete week. Okay, so look this, 10 day. There is a 1 week plus 3 odd day. If we split it 7 plus 3, so there is a 1 week plus 3 odd day. Okay, so we know that in 4 years we consider a leap year. So what is leap year? Which year divided by 4, it is called leap year. Like 2012, it is a leap year. 2016, it is last digit 16. If we divide it by 4, then it gives 4. So it is called leap year. Now we discuss what is about century. In 100 year, it is called a century. So in a century year, how I find out that it is leap year or not? So if 100 year, then we should be divided by 400. So it is not divisible. That's why 100 years is not a leap year. Okay. 200 years. Tell me, it is leap year or not? So it is not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. Okay. So I will discuss about in 100 year. In 100 year, there is a 24 leap year and 76 ordinary year. Okay. Why 24? If the year 100, if we divide it by 4, then it gives 25. But in 100, it is not a leap year. That's why I am written as a 24 leap year. So in a leap year, it is visible. In leap year, there is a 2 odd day and In ordinary year, there is a one odd day. Okay, because in a year, in 1 year, there is a 365 odd day. If we divided it 7, then there is a 52 week plus 1 odd day. If it is leap year, then there is a 1 year equal to 366 day. If we divide it by 7, then it gives 52 week plus 2 odd day. So let's say example for better concept. So if today is Monday, then what will be, if today is Monday, then after 64 day, if today is Monday, then after 64 day, what will be the week of day? Then what will be the day of week? Then what will be the day of week? Okay. So there is a how many days? 64 days. So if I divide it by 7, then it's become 9 week plus 1 odd day. Then if today is Monday, then what is the remainder? 1. Then after 64 day, it will be Tuesday. Okay. Then let me take another question. Look, if January 25 is Sunday, then what will be the week of a day on 21 April. So if January 25th January is Sunday, then what will be the day of a week? 21st April. So how many days if we consider in January? There is a 31 odd day. If we divide it by 7, then it gives 3 remainder. In February, if it is an ordinary year, then the remainder will be 0, and if it is a leap year, remainder will be 1. Then in March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 3, November 2, and December 3. This is the series like this: 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. After 7, it will become again 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. So in these questions, if 25th January is Sunday, then what will be the day of a week in 21st April? Okay. So in 25, then an extra odd day is 6. Then February, if it is not a leap year, then it will be 0. March 3. Then in 21st April, then April is equal to 21st. So there is a 30 day. It means if we divide it by 7, then it gives 2 remainder. Okay. So if 25th January is Sunday, then 21st April will be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Let us take another question. Remember few code: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it will be 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, it will again 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. Then in days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There is some code like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then in year 1600 to 6, 700 to 799, 4, 1800 to 1899, 2, and 1900 to 1999, 0. Then again it will be 6420 like this. Okay, then 2000 to 2099, again it will be 6. So write down all this. Okay, let us take another questions. Then the question is, what will be the day of a week on 26 January 2022? How to find it? Okay, so you'll know that. So the tricks is, first we have to take the 2 digit of a year. Okay, so what is the 2 digit? 22. Then it is divided by 4. Then what will be the answer? 5. Okay, then the date of month 26. Then another code is, write down January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. And the code is 033 035 614 and 625. This is a code. Okay, then the month code is January. If it is January, the month code will be 0, and the year code 2000 to 2099, its code is 6. Then if we add it, (69) odd day, then we simply divide it by 7. Then remainder is 6. If remainder is 6, then it is a Saturday. The answer will be Saturday. Okay, because we remember the code is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If it is 6, then it will be Saturday. Okay, let's take another question. In 100 year, it is called century year. Okay, 100 years, it is called century years. In 100 years, there is a 24 leap year and 76 ordinary year. Okay, Why 24 leap year? If we divided 100 by 4, then it gives 25, but in 100 it is a century year, that's why you should divide it by 400 for leap year, but in 100 it is not divisible by 400, that's why in century year 100 is not a leap year. Okay, so how many odd day in a century year? In a leap year there is a 2 odd day, and in an ordinary year there is a 1 odd day, so it will be, then simply we add it. One 24 odd day, if we divided it 7, then five remainder. Then in a century year there is a 5 odd day. Then in two century, double century, 5 into 2 equal to 10, there is a 3 odd day. Okay, and in 3 century year there is a 2 odd day. Okay, so in century year the last day will be 5, Friday. Okay, and double century year the last day will be Wednesday. Okay, and in 3 century year it will be, the last day will be Tuesday. Okay, I hope you are all understand. So if my video helpful for you, so please share and subscribe. It is my first video. Okay, so thanks for watching.